In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order QuickBooks checks. Navigating your business finances efficiently is key, and ordering checks directly through QuickBooks saves you both time and aligns perfectly with your financial tracking. So whether you're restocking your checks or initiating your very first order, this walkthrough will ensure a smooth process for you. First things first, you'll want to head over to the dedicated platform for ordering checks online, specifically designed for Intuit QuickBooks users. The URL you'll be looking for is intuitmarket.intuit.com/checks. This webpage is your gateway to all things related to your QuickBooks checks, ensuring that your order is compatible with your QuickBooks accounting software. Upon arriving at the site, the next step involves signing into your QuickBooks account. This step is crucial as it ensures that your order is synced with your QuickBooks profile, making the entire process smoother and more integrated with your financial records. If this is your first time, fret not. The website is designed to guide you seamlessly through the sign-in process. Following your successful login, you'll find yourself facing multiple options tailored to your QuickBooks check needs. Here you'll want to focus on the option that reads Reorder Checks. A click on this will take you a step closer to replenishing your check stock. However, it's important to note that this option is particularly useful and streamlined if you've previously ordered checks through this platform. It remembers your last order, hence simplifying your reordering process with just a few clicks. No need to re-enter your details. This pointer about reordering checks brings us to a vital insight. The beauty of the reorder function lies in its time-saving design. If you're a return customer, this feature means you can bypass the initial setup process. Leveraging your previous order's specifications is a nifty shortcut that saves time while ensuring consistency in your check designs and details. But what if you're ordering for the first time, or perhaps you want to change some details from your last order? Don't worry, the platform is designed to be intuitive for all users. If you're starting fresh or need to update your order, you'll find easy to follow prompts and help sections that guide you through each step. Whether it's choosing your check design, entering your banking information, or specifying quantities, the process is designed with user friendliness in mind. Now let's talk about ensuring your transaction is secure and your order is correct. Before finalizing your order, you're prompted to review all details meticulously. This is your checkpoint to ensure that all entered information is accurate, from bank details to shipping information. Mistakes here can be costly and time-consuming, so take your time. Lastly, once you're confident with your order details, you proceed to checkout. The platform offers various payment options, so select the one that best suits your needs. Upon confirming your payment, you will receive an order confirmation. This not only serves as proof of purchase, but also includes an estimated delivery date for your checks. Let's quickly touch on a few additional tips to ensure your ordering process is as smooth as possible. Always double check your banking information against a current check or bank statement to avoid errors. If you're in a rush, look into expedited shipping options. While this may come at an extra cost, it could be valuable if you're running low on checks. Take advantage of any support offered by the site, whether it's a live chat, email, or phone support. Use these resources if you have any questions or concerns during your ordering process. In summary, ordering QuickBooks checks through the official Intuit marketplace is a streamlined, secure process that ensures your business's financial dealings are aligned with your accounting software. By following the above steps, you can quickly and efficiently restock your checks, ensuring your business operations run smoothly without a hitch. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to ordering QuickBooks checks. Whether you're replenishing your stock or setting up for the first time, we hope this video helps simplify the process for you. Keep managing your business finances efficiently, and remember, a well-organized financial setup is key to smoother, more successful business operations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.